Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V50e smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power off your Vivo V50e smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up button together until the Vivo logo appears, and now release. And here you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery. Install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Tap on clear data. So here you can see clear cache and clear all data. Tap on clear all data. So guys, here you can see clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now here tap on OK. So you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device. Guys, it might take some time, so kindly wait. So here you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. After that, go back. And you can see on bottom power off and restart. Tap on restart. Here you can see restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V50e smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.